Hello, everyone. Welcome to Mr. USA English.
Today, we'll practice useful English for daily life, laugh a lot, and improve your speaking and listening skills.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this lesson with your friends. Good morning. How did you sleep?
I slept well, but my alarm clock tried to kill me.
Haha, I know that feeling. My alarm and I have a love-hate relationship. First thing in the morning, what do?
I check my phone and scroll endlessly.
Haha, me too. Then I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Breakfast time. What's your favorite?
Toast and eggs. Sometimes I add chocolate, because why not?
Ha ha. That's a dangerous combination, but delicious.
What clothes do you wear?
Pajamas. Until someone knocks on the door.
Haha, I wish I could do that all day. Pajama life. Do you exercise?
Only if carrying coffee counts.
Haha, coffee is important too. Excuse me, how much is this shirt?
25美元.
$25? That's my entire lunch budget.
Haha, but it looks great on you?
Do you have a bigger size?
Yes. Here you go.
Perfect. Now I can hide my snacks under it. Let's buy something to eat. What do you want?
Burger, fries, and maybe all the ketchup.
Haha, don't swim in it. Can I have the bill?
Sure. $18.
$18? That's more than my coffee budget. Maybe I'll hug the waiter instead. I bought a hat yesterday. It was too small.
Haha. Did it grow on your head?
Nope. I grew a bigger head instead. Excuse me, where's the bus stop?
Go straight and take the first left. Next to the bank.
Thanks. Last time I got lost, I ended up at a circus. How far is the train station?
About 10 minutes walking.
Perfect. Time to practice my dance moves on the way. When is the next train to New York?
3:30 p.m.
Great. I have time to grab some snacks. How much is a ticket to the airport?
15美元.
Only $15? That's cheaper than my online shopping spree. Hi, can I see the menu, please?
Of course. Here you go.
I'd like a cheeseburger, fries, and maybe all the ketchup.
Haha, don't swim in it.
Can I have the bill, please?
Sure. $18.
$18? That's more than my coffee. I think I'll hug the waiter. Yesterday, I tried cooking.
How did it go?
Let's just say the fire alarm and I are now best friends.
Haha. Cooking adventures are always fun.
How's the weather today?
Sunny, perfect for hiding from work.
Haha, I like hiding from work too. Do you like movies?
Yes, especially comedies. I laugh so hard my cat runs away.
Haha, same here. My dog hides too. What music do you like?
Pop. But I dance to everything, even elevator music.
Haha, dance like nobody's watching. Do you play sports?
Only in my imagination.
Haha, that's safe, no injuries. Have you traveled recently?
Yes. I went to the beach and got sunburned like a lobster.
Haha, ouch. Did it hurt?
A little, but worth it.
Can you help me, please?
Of course. What's the problem?
I can't open this jar. It's plotting against me.
Haha. Jars are tricky. Let me help.
Could you show me how to use this machine?
Sure. Don't worry. It won't bite.
I need directions to the supermarket.
Go straight, then take a right, near the bakery.
Thank you. I hope I don't buy all the cakes by mistake. What if I get lost in a new city?
Ask for help. Excuse me, can you help me, please?
Simple and polite. I spilled coffee on my shirt. Again.
Ha ha. Make it a fashion statement.
Coffee fashion. Trendy, right? I lost my keys yesterday.
Oh no. Where did you find them?
In the fridge with my sandwich.
Ha ha! Good thing the sandwich was safe.
I tried cooking yesterday.
How was it?
The smoke alarm and I are now best friends.
Ha ha! Cooking is an adventure.
I tripped on the street today.
Oh no. Did anyone see?
Everyone did. I made new friends instantly. Repeat after me. Good morning. How are you?
Good morning. How are you?
Can you help me, please?
Can you help me, please?
I'd like a cheeseburger and fries, please.
I'd like a cheeseburger and fries, please.
Excuse me. Where is the nearest bus stop?
Excuse me. Where is the nearest bus stop?
Great. Keep practicing. Yesterday, my cat ran away.
Oh no. Did you find it?
Yes, sitting on the neighbor's roof.
Ha ha. Cats love high places.
I bought a hat yesterday. Too small.
Did it fit? Eventually?
Nope. I wore it as a decoration on my backpack. I cooked pasta, and it turned into soup.
Ha ha. You invented a new recipe.
Amazing. Today, we practice daily English phrases, funny dialogues, and mini stories. Keep practicing every day, speak with friends, and enjoy learning English. Even if you make mistakes, just laugh. English is fun, friendly, and full of surprises. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with friends. You did a great job today.